What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tyler. In this video, I am going to be talking about a new series that I will be doing about documenting my journey of trading slash growing my Forex account from a 3-figure account to a 4-figure account. And then hopefully if I make it to a 4-figure account, trade it up to a 5-figure account. So currently it is Saturday and the markets are closed, but I'm in a trade right now that's in the green. As you can see, it's up $14, but starting next video will be the first documented trade. A little about my history with trading. I've been around the markets probably for about 2 to 3 years, but I have not been trading for that long. My time, or as you'd say, like experience in the markets of trading, would probably be close to a year. And then within those 2 years, I've blown up 2 accounts. I'm not gonna lie or anything. I'm gonna be straight with everything I do. But within those 2 years, I've blown up 2 accounts. The first account was about $1,000, and the second account was about $800. And now this is my third account, which is this $300 account. But that $1,000 account that I first had probably lasted for about a month. And then that second account that I had, the $800 one, I think the lifespan of that one was probably about like 2 months. So a little history about this account is that I started this account, or I added money into this account around March or April of this year. It's 2020, November 28th. We're a few days from going into December. So I managed to stay alive in the markets for quite a while by managing my risk very good. So I brought this account all the way up to $600 and was stuck there for a while. I'm pretty sure if I kept the money in there, I would have gone past that $600 threshold. But some things in life came up and I withdrew money from the account to pay some bills. So now I'm back at $300. So what this series is going to be about is it's simply going to be me trading and going over my trades that I'll be doing or have done already. This isn't going to be any tutorial or little challenge. So if I ever have any spare money that I want to dump into the account, I may do it. My goal is to simply just grow the account. So if you may learn things if you are new to trading and have never done Forex before, but if you are not new, feel free to drop down any ideas or tips in the comments whenever I make those videos of my trades. So I want to go over the way that I trade. I am not a day trader. I am a swing trader, so I hold my trades for quite a while. I don't really place much trades during the week depending on how volatile the market is for that week or month. So sometimes I will place a trade, and if the market is moving good and it hits my stop loss or my take profit, then right after that I will just look for the next trade. But most of the time I'm in the trade for a couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks. So thanks for tuning in to this video. Be sure to subscribe so you will know when I release the first video of me trading. That's all for this little first intro video, and I will see you in the next one.